Go to your web browser, search for Eclipse Installer for Windows, select the first option. We are going to install the Eclipse 2025-06 version on Windows 11 in this demo. And you're going to select the version with respect to your operating system. I'm selecting it for Windows here. And you have the download option, click on it. And save this file to a location. So this download is going to take 1 or 2 minutes. Let's wait for it to complete. The download is done. Let's now run this file. Now let us select the first option, Eclipse IDE for Java developers, and click on install. So the installation process has started. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. And now click on launch. So this is going to launch your application. Launch again. So you'll be getting a welcome page. I've already installed and I've created a first project here. So that's why I'm getting this page. So nothing to worry. I'll be telling you how to create a project and a class in Eclipse. So let's go to File, New, and then select Java Project. Give a project name. I'll give it a second project. And you'll see your Java execution environment selected there. Click on Next, and then you can click on Finish. So your first project is created. Now go to the source file, right click, go to New, and then click on Class. Now give a class name. You can also give a package name if that's empty. Select public static void main and click on Finish. So your first class is created. We'll have a simple print statement here. I'll print allo to the console. So Control S for saving and Control F11 for running. So you see the output on console. That's it.